in my food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. I'm truly overwhelmed. Yes, last week I had shared I'm practicing as a dietitian for almost, in fact, so many years, but I have been practicing mainly to my known people and to their friends and extended friends. But I wanted to foray into much bigger ground, so I shared with you all so that you can contact me for consultation even. And I not only give consultation for keto or low carb, I give consultation for all type of dietary health requirements, and veg or non-veg, any type of diet, I give consultation for it. If you want, you can contact me. The form is just given below in the description box even, and I'm going to share it on my Insta and on my FB handle even. And continuing this journey of recipe creating, curating and making, today's recipe is a healthy recipe. Yes, on Tuesday I post healthy recipe, and I'm posting a beautiful easy recipe which I made for my husband. He loves white bread. I know white bread is not healthy, but he enjoys white bread. So made this appetizer for him. It's a beautiful easy recipe. It's a easy veg bread muffins, and it is fully loaded with vegetables. So you, in fact, if you are having the white bread, nevertheless include lots of veggies into it to make it healthy. So let's begin with it. Yes, for this beautiful cup of bread muffins fully loaded with vegetables, I am going to first prepare the vegetable layer. So heat a non-stick pan, add oil to it, add some garlic goes into it, some red chili flake goes into it, and now I am going to add the other ingredients. Here goes some onions, finely chopped onion goes into it, saute it a bit, some cauliflower goes into it, some peas goes into it. You can add as many vegetables you have, and especially those vegetables which your family don't enjoy. Here I am adding some carrots. My husband doesn't love so much of carrots, so I am adding carrots for him. Basically, it's a way of making the family eat the vegetables which are healthy but they don't want to eat, like bottle gourd. I've seen people who don't like pumpkins. You can add that even into this. Some salt goes into it so that the vegetables become a bit tender. I'm going to cover and cook for 2 minutes so that the vegetables become a bit tender. See, just saute it a bit. Here goes broccoli into it. Some broccolis, some capsicum. You can add red, yellow, green, whatever you have. I had the green ones, so I'm adding the green ones. Some pulses, lentils, you can add that to increase the protein portion of it. Here I'm adding the moat beans. You can add whatever beans you have. You can add kidney beans even, or chickpeas even. That would give a good flavor to this recipe. And now I am going to add a bit of tomato puree into it. Yes, here I am adding the tomato pulp or the puree. See, just mix it up. Cover and cook for a few minutes. And see how beautifully it has mingled into each other. And now I am going to sprinkle some black pepper powder into it so that it gets a bit of spiciness to my dish, and my vegetable layer is done. So now comes the canopy layer or the cup or the muffin layer. So for this I have taken the white bread and I am just cutting it into roundels, a big roundels. You can take the brown bread even. It is healthy, but as I told you, my husband doesn't like brown bread, so I am using this one. So I am just buttering my bread If you don't want to butter it, don't butter it. Just put it like that also. And now I'm going to put it directly into the muffin mold or muffin tray, placing the buttered side inside. Yes, so that it comes out easily and also it becomes more crispy. It's a very simple recipe and it can be prepared within minutes. You can prepare the vegetable layer beforehand and you can just prepare this when you want to have it. It will take not more than 10 minutes to prepare this dish. Assembling 5 minutes and cooking 10 minutes and your dish is done. Put a hearty portion of the vegetable inside the cup of the bread so that it becomes healthy. We know it's a white bread, that's not good for health, but we can make it, we can simply increase the healthiness of the dish by adding more veggies. Yes. So here I am sprinkling a little bit of cheese into it. Meanwhile, my oven is preheated to 200 degrees Celsius and now this is ready for baking. So this will go for baking. My oven is a convection microwave. You can use your normal OTG also for baking. I am baking this at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 to 15 minutes. My dish will be done within 10 minutes. See, it's looking so pretty. It's done and I am going to just take it out. Perfect. See, I am just taking it out. Perfectly cooked. The crust layer has formed. Brown crust has formed. This is what I wanted, the crispy crunchy crust. And I'm going to let it rest for 5 minutes. See how beautiful it has baked. I know nobody can say no to this recipe, it's so tasty. And after 5 minutes, with the help of the back of the spoon or the fork, I am going to simply just take it out. Yes, with the help of the spoon or the fork, you can take it out. This will help in scooping out. Yes, see. It's hot, be careful. See. Can you see the crispiness, the crunch? Beautifully crispy cups have formed. I know you're just going to love this. This is so delicious. Here I am serving with this with some green chutney. You can serve with any desired dip you like. This looks so delicious. You can, I told you, you can increase the health quotient of this recipe with the help of your brown bread or multigrain bread. But I have increased the health quotient of this recipe with the use of lots of colorful veggies. See. So just go and make this delicious appetizer. You can prepare for your parties or at evening time snacks even. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.